ASSA ABLOY have been producing window fasteners for over 40 years, and they are a standard in many New Zealand homes. Customer feedback has identified an opportunity for improvement on both operation and durability. The revolutionary Helix Seal utilises a screw effect to ensure smooth compression sealing of a window. Now this, coupled with a non-scratch material, ensures mark-free operation. The innovation behind the product has taken many months of development by our Auckland-based design team, which has included an exhaustive amount of testing, including both alpha and beta testing with customers. Visual project management with a cross-functional team helped to industrialise into our manufacturing facility. As indicated, the design has been verified through many months of testing, which include the development of a completely new test rig to mimic real-life requirements. Now, fasteners are put through a rigorous 20,000 cycles to simulate 80 years of usage. Sustainability is critically important, so there is very little waste in the creation of the Helix Seal Fastener, and where we can, excess material is recycled. A powder coat process has total flexibility to provide a multitude of colour variants in any order of volume. This includes full pre-treatment for a corrosion-resistant product. A systematic assembly process ensures product consistency is achieved every time, including numerous quality checks along the way prior to leaving our factory. With hundreds of orders daily, our streamlined process means customers receive product with minimal lead time, regardless of volume or variation. The ultimate goal with the Helix Seal, or any product we develop, is to provide years of fault-free operation, and for the end user to know that they have received a quality product designed specifically for the New Zealand environment.